Vitalika, light the way.
Hey there! If you're a healthcare professional and you're ready to get started on the Vitalika platform, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to walk through the entire step-by-step process to get you registered and fully certified as a health service provider. So let's just dive right in. So, the big question is, are you ready to do this? If the answer is yes, well, let's get you set up. This little explainer is going to take you all the way from someone just thinking about it to a fully certified member of the Vitalika community, ready to connect with your very first clients. Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a really crucial piece of advice. Try to use a dedicated work account for this whole thing. It just keeps everything clean, professional, and secure. Trust me, it's a tiny step that makes a huge difference down the line. All right, Section 1, starting the bot. Your entire registration journey, believe it or not, kicks off with one single action, firing up the Vitalika bot. Let's see how it works. So the whole Vitalika registration system is built right inside of Telegram, so that's where we're going to live for a bit. Your first move is super simple. Just open the app and start the official Vitalika bot. This thing is basically your front door to the entire process. Once you start the bot, you'll see this main menu pop up. Let's do a quick tour, shall we? The white button opens the Health Hub. Green takes you to the community forums, and blue, that's your direct line to the support team. Purple is the special channel for providers, and red, well, that red button is our goal, the HSP portal. But here's the first little hurdle. That red HSP portal button we're aiming for, it's locked. To get the key, you need something called a VPP. That stands for a Verified Provider Profile. So our immediate mission is to get one of those. Which, of course, brings us perfectly to Section 2, contacting support. To get that VPP, you first have to go through a quick verification with the support team. Yep, the road to getting your VVP and finally unlocking that portal begins with one simple action, reaching out to the Vitalika support team. They're the ones who will walk you through getting verified. The verification process itself has 4 main steps. First, you're going to hit that blue support button and just ask for VPP access. Next, you'll need to submit your professional documents. And the last step is a pretty unique security measure. You'll actually record a short video of yourself saying a specific phrase. This is just how they make absolutely sure that you are who you say you are, which keeps the platform super trustworthy for everyone. So, just think about the progress you've made at this point. Before this step, you're kind of on the outside looking in, right? But after you complete this verification, boom, you've got initial access and you are officially ready to start building out your professional profile. Moving on to Section 3, Profile and Payment. Now that you're verified, it's time for the fun part, creating your public profile and getting the payments all set up. The gates are open. As soon as the support team grants you that initial access, you can log in and start working on the most important part of this whole thing, crafting the profile that all your potential clients are going to see. This is your digital storefront. Now, you're going to want to follow these steps pretty much in order. First, upload a great professional-looking photo, then fill out all your public info, your specialties, your background, all that good stuff. After that, you'll head over to the Vitalika Health Hub. Remember, that's the white button. Inside the hub, you'll charge up your wallet and then pay the invoices that the support team issued. And once all that is taken care of, the very last thing to do is just send a quick message back to support, letting them know you're all done. We are on the home stretch now, I promise. This last section is all about the final checkup before you're officially certified and your VPP is finally issued. You have done all the heavy lifting. Your profile is built, the payments are made, and now the ball is back in the support team's court. They're just going to conduct one final review to make sure everything looks perfect. So, what is this final review? Don't worry, it's not a test you can fail. Think of it more like a collaborative polish. The support team will go over your profile and your payments, and if they find anything that could be improved or needs a little correction, they'll just reach out to you directly and you'll fix it together. The whole point of this final review is really to ensure your success. This partnership approach just guarantees that when your profile does go live, it looks professional, it's complete, and it's perfectly set up to attract clients. They really want you to look your best. And after that final review, that's it. You've done it. Your official VPP is issued, that red HSP portal is now totally unlocked for you, and you are officially a certified health service provider on the Vitalika platform. So congratulations. And with that, your real journey begins. your profile is live, you're officially part of the community. So the only question left is, what's the very first service you're going to offer?